Ever wondered how to create a fake WhatsApp account? It's a question steeped in intrigue, isn't it? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind this tech phenomenon. But remember, this information serves as an educational tool, illuminating the digital world's possibilities. It's not intended to encourage any form of misuse, so, as responsible netizens, let's promise to use this knowledge wisely. If you're ready to grasp this new learning, buckle up and dive right in. Before we begin, ensure you have a reliable internet connection and a device with WhatsApp installed. This is crucial because the process we are about to embark on requires uninterrupted access to the internet and, of course, WhatsApp. Why, you ask? Well, we're about to create a new WhatsApp account using a virtual number. This isn't your everyday task, my friends. It's a bit like being a tech magician, pulling a number out of thin air. Now, having a stable internet connection ensures that the process goes smoothly, without any annoying interruptions. And having WhatsApp installed on your device is a no-brainer, isn't it? After all, we can't create a WhatsApp account without the app itself. In addition, remember to have a little patience on hand. This isn't a race, and sometimes the best results come to those who wait. Now that we're all set, let's move on to the actual process. Creating a fake WhatsApp account involves a few simple steps. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to download and install a virtual number app. These apps are readily available on both the Play Store and the App Store. They offer a variety of numbers from different countries, which is perfect for our purpose. Just type Virtual Number App in the search bar and choose one that suits your needs. Once you've found one, hit download and wait for it to install. After you've installed the app, the next step is to open it and sign up for a new account. This usually involves providing an existing email address and creating a password. Make sure to pick a password that's strong and secure, but also easy for you to remember. Now comes the fun part. Once you're logged into the app, you'll need to select a country and get a new virtual number. Most apps offer a wide range of numbers from various countries, so you can choose whichever one you like. Once you've chosen a country, the app will generate a new virtual number for you. With your new virtual number in hand, it's time to open WhatsApp and start the setup process. If you've never used WhatsApp before, you'll need to download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you've got it installed, open it up and get ready to set up your account. During the setup process, WhatsApp will ask you for a phone number. This is where you'll enter the virtual number you got earlier. Just type it in and hit Next. After you've entered your virtual number, you'll need to wait for a verification code. This code will be sent to the virtual number app, not your regular phone number. Once you receive the code, copy it and go back to WhatsApp. Finally, enter the verification code in WhatsApp to complete the setup. And just like that, you're all set. And there you have it, your very own fake WhatsApp account. Remember, use this information responsibly and respect privacy laws in your country. Technology is a tool, and how we use it defines us. In just a few minutes, we've created a fake WhatsApp account. Isn't it fascinating how technology can empower us to do so much, even create a parallel identity on a platform like WhatsApp? Today, we journeyed through the intriguing world of fake WhatsApp accounts, shedding light on the mystery behind them. We began by preparing for the process, ensuring we had all the necessary tools at our disposal: a stable internet connection, a smartphone, and a secondary phone number. We highlighted the importance of these elements in the process, reiterating that without them, our mission would be impossible. Then, we dived deep into the step-by-step process to create a fake WhatsApp account. We started by installing and configuring the WhatsApp application, followed by verifying the secondary phone number. We then navigated through the app settings to personalize our account. In all of this, we emphasize the importance of using this knowledge responsibly. While it's indeed possible to create a fake WhatsApp account, it's crucial to remember that doing so for malicious purposes is not just unethical but also illegal. This information is meant to educate and inform, not to facilitate harmful activities. As we wrap up, let's not forget the power we now hold. Technology has given us the ability to create and manage multiple identities, but it's our responsibility how we use it. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your new skills wisely.